happy birthday, Alusi. I remember a couple years ago, I had the least money, right? I had my car. I finally came back from NSK after spending pretty much a decade there studying vet. Came back and I was at my mom's place, and my head was touching, right? I was sick. Like, it's not as if it's what I call latent madness, because you are not mad, but you are not okay in your head, right? My mom see, like, maybe somebody will come to the house to repair something. Me, I'll now be gingering the person. Like, I was feeling protective of my mom's you get, like, why are you being friendly with this man that came to repair something, and that kind of stuff, and okay, I'll now be getting altercations with our last born, who is my best friend, right? Where they always whine, right? So and mom still will be shedding tears, because I just the chop rice now. I just remember say get time when my mom see they shed tears because of me, guy. No be say I do anything, I no touch her more, because I'm not mad now, not fully mad. And even if I'm fully mad, get the next year, fast forward the next year, if you're not Lagos can do youth service. I reach youth service, go enter Ikoyi prison. I almost no come outside. And it was Bomputa. I came out ASAP. Immediately when I come outside, Naje dozie album. Ndị ikwu nne m mana fa nwe ife na Alụsị Pablo onye nwe m nwe ife akpọ nwa ozugbo Naje dozie album agwụ ikwu nne m. From there, I first come out from some kind patterns where I've been doing. Isi chikotaba. So my sermon to you today, young man, who listen to me now, obolo about ego ndụ gị adịkwa. Obolo about ego ndụ bụ isi, ndụ gị adịkwa. Money dey very important too, you know what I'm saying? Kana afụ nwoke afụ ogologo ime mana ife ị ga-eme bụ jee dozie mmụọ gị. Ọ bụzi anọ ife ị na-eme ego bụ ife na-achọ ịgbalị gị brain. Ọ bụrụ na enwere ife na-aghọta, like something just dey abnormal, you no get calm, jee dozie mmụọ gị. Ọ bụrụ na ife anyị na-eme wee na-akpata ego chọọ ịgbalị gị isi, ọ bụrụ na ọ bụla ya, ọ bụrụ na mmadụ na-etinye aka chọọ iji wee tụtụ anything, idozie mmụọ gị, it go solve anyone. Whether na your mom they worry you dozie your mom and go solve them. Whether na person they fuck with you, that person nobody fit do anything to you. You get me? And as I said, ego is important. Man, when you walk around and lucky and when gali number, kila people tife. Then walking now. Ogene keja woruku. Upirugo geya.